looking. We'll show you guys how it looks after I put on the new one. Same with the rear. Just a single bulb. I don't know what the hell that is. But yeah, let's go ahead throw these on. It's gonna change it up quite a bit. So these are gonna look nice, especially at night. Change up the look, make it a little more modern. So let's get to throwing these on real easy. It's just plug up to your factory harness bulb socket. These go right into the socket. And they just clip right in, so they're real easy. I'm gonna have to get the car up for the front and get through the, it's easier to go through the, either the fender liner or the, where the brake ducting is, that brake scoop. You can get down in there. I also wanna fix this light because this keeps falling down, man. Where I go, or if I hit a hard ass bump, it just comes out, clips out. So I'm gonna get that fixed. And then the rear, I believe you could just do it through, I could probably even do it through the rear tail light there. So I'll probably do that. Probably gonna be easier. And I'll get you guys once I get them on. Right, I got the little brake air duct off. You can see right up in there is where we're gonna take out the side marker. That plug there and the two clips. There you can see how much easier this is, just taking this off, then going through the fender liner, taking off the wheel. So let me go ahead and get to that and let's put on the new one. I was saying you just take out the bulb socket. You're gonna use that for these lights. You can see it has this blade here. I'll plug this blade into where the bulb goes, then plug this into our connector here. I'll clean this up. The damn spider was in there, look at that. I don't know how long he was chilling in there for. But yeah, we're gonna clean that out, clean this off, put this on and see how it looks compared to the old one. And there it is, the front amber laser light. A lot cleaner, especially with the smoked out look. In full light. All right, the side markers are on. There's the front amber and the rear brake light. Brake. Oh, it just looks like it's popping out. Yeah. Definitely makes it look a little more modern. Oh, I just realized this side doesn't work. I don't think I plugged this one in right. So I'm gonna pull that one out. Do it again. There's that one. And we'll see how it looks at night once it gets nighttime.